Okay guys, so this is the Redmi 5A and we have successfully installed a custom recovery and a custom ROM for this one. Okay. uh, and we're using the Nusantara OS based on Android 11 for this one. Okay. The custom ROM or the Nusantara OS is unified. It means that you can use it for the Redmi 4A Rolex or Redmi 5A Riva. It's not a problem. And in this tutorial I will show you how to flash this ROM from the Oreo stock ROM on Riva. Okay, because we know that usually you cannot install a custom ROM on Oreo stock ROM in Riva. Okay, all the files and instruction I will provide in my blog, so please check the description box. Okay, and also in the instruction there is a step. Make sure you follow all the steps if you do not want to mistakenly make your phone bootloop. Okay, you can see it's Redmi 5A on Android 11. Okay. Stay tuned guys and check it out. Okay, hello guys, assalamualaikum. Again with Bob. Okay, this time we have Xiaomi Phone. This is the Redmi 5A, and today we're gonna try to customize this phone to Nusantara OS. Okay, this phone is based on Android 8, and we want to upgrade it to the Android 11. Okay, so let's get started to the settings and let's check the settings and the phone information. Okay, you can see it's using the new 11.0.2 and based on Android Oreo. Okay, this is the latest firmware update for this phone, and seems that this phone not gonna get any update. Okay, so let's start by enabling the developer option by hit the new version 5 times and then go back, go to the additional settings, developer option. Okay, and make sure you have unlocked your phone. Okay, it's very simple. You can find the tutorial on Xiaomi Unlock bootloader on any other video in my channel. Okay, okay, go back. The problem that usually occur in this phone is we cannot directly flash a custom ROM on Android 8 stock ROM. Okay, so there is several steps that you need to know. Okay, I hope you follow this step so you will not get any trouble with bootloop or whatever. Okay, so basically we can flash the Android 11 custom ROM from Android 8 stock ROM without downgrading. Okay, so the steps, all the steps and files I will include it in my blogs, so please check the description box. Okay, so let's get started and turn up the phone. And you need to go to the Fastboot mode. We're pressing the volume down and the power button. Okay, and then plug in the USB cable. Okay, now we are in the Fastboot mode. Okay, let's start the process. And this is the steps. Okay. Okay, the first one is unlock bootloader. Okay, it's very good. You have to unlock your phone to root or using a custom ROM. Okay. Second one is flash the Oreo custom recovery, and then reboot to the recovery. Five options. Okay, I will show you later. And then patch the or flash the downgrade. Okay, this file is needed to downgrade from Oreo to Nugget. Okay, because we cannot flash a custom ROM from the Oreo stock ROM. Then flash the firmware update using the MIUI 10 Android firmware MIUI U10. Okay, it is Nugget base 10.1.1.0. okay. Okay, let's get started. Let's open the PowerShells. The thing we need to do is flash the Oreo custom recovery and then boot into the custom recovery. Okay. Okay, and this is the file. I'm going to use this one. Okay. Step Fastboot Fastboot space flash space recovery. You can select the file. Okay, done. And then we need to boot it into the Oreo custom recovery base. Okay. Sorry for this. Sorry for the display on the LCD. Because it's broken. Yeah. Now it is the TWRP for the Oreo. Okay, go to the web menu, select format data and type yes. Enter. Okay, you can always ignore the red message text in here. Okay, hit home button, select reboot and recovery. Okay, all the steps you can check it in my blog. I will provide the link in the description box. Okay, now go to the wipe again. This time select advanced wipe, select the 5 items. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, the Delphic, gas, vendor, system and data. Okay, swipe it, hit home, and let's go to the desktop again. Okay, we need to copy the file downgrade and firmware downgrade. Okay, let's go to here. Sorry. Okay, so we need to copy this file, the patch downgrade and the firmware 10.1.1.0. okay, this file to the internal storage. Okay, let's paste it. And we also want to copy the where is it? Therapy Riva. Okay, this is needed to install the custom ROM. Okay, and you can always choose using the PBRP or the TWRP K49. Okay, for this tutorial I will use this one. Let's switch the screen again. Okay, now let's press the patch downgrade to the install menu. Select the patch downgrade, swipe it, go back, and then press the firmware patch. Okay, done. Now let's go to the Fastboot again. So reboot and Fastboot. Okay, we will get the notification in here. OS install. Okay, you can ignore it, just swipe it. Okay, let's open the PowerShell again. This time we want to change the custom recovery. Okay, from the custom recovery Oreo to the custom recovery nugget. This one. Boot space recovery. Just click and rectify file. And then you need to boot it. Okay. Done. Now it's using the custom recovery. Okay, let's copy some files. Now we want to use the Unify. Okay. Let's move it to here. Okay, this one. Okay. As you can see, this is the ROM that we want to use, the Nusantara version 3. It says Rolex in here, but it's Unify. Okay. This is Riva. So we're going to pass this ROM in the Riva device. Okay. Let's copy the file, put it in here. And we also need the gaps because this ROM is vanilla based. It means that it doesn't include the gaps. Let's paste this one, and we also want to use this. Okay, let's use the Magisk 23. There is the latest one when I'm making this video. Okay, done. Let's switch again. Sorry for the, seems that we don't need this file. Okay, because we have flashed it from the Fastboot. Okay. Okay, swipe it. Now we want to flash the custom ROM. Go to the install and select the ROM. Okay. As I said before, this is Unify ROM. It means the text said it's Rolex, but it can use for Revo also. Okay, now it's done. Hit the home button, select reboot and recovery. Okay, this time we want to install the gaps and the images. Select the install menu, select the keycaps, we're using the keycaps, add more zip, and add images. Okay, images is always optional, so if you do not need root or don't like root, you can skip placing the images. It's done. All you need to do is hit the reboot system. Okay, and we wait. Usually it takes about 10 to 20 seconds because the custom ROM is very fast, not like the MIUI ROM that usually take a long time to boot into the Android screen. Okay, it's already loaded. It's already boot and the MIUI logo is changing to the Nusantara OS logo. Seems that it's taking times longer than usual. As I said before, it usually just take about 10 to 20 seconds, but it takes longer time. Okay, it's already finished, and we have a pin, card pin. Okay, just enter the pin. Okay, I will remove the card. Okay, so now we are in Android home screen. Okay. Let's check settings. And voila, Redmi 5A on Android 11. Okay, I will stop this video and let's continue to make a quick review about this one. Okay, stay tuned guys. Okay guys, so this is the Nusantara OS on Redmi 5A Riva. Okay, so let's make a quick review about this ROM. We're going to test the basic function of the phone. Okay, so we can make a verdict. Is it the ROM quite good enough for daily use or not? Okay, as you can see, it's very minimalistic. Doesn't have a browser, etc. Okay, I have installed Magisk here, and let's install some other apps. Okay, let's install the checker. And we also want to install the maps and browser. Okay, I usually use a view browser because it's very small. We use browser to test the sound and the video. Okay, now let's install the maps. As you can see, it's read the SIM card, so there is no problem with the SIM card. Okay, let's test the SIM card. And let's open my block. Where is it? Okay, just ignore my block. Okay, SIM card is working. Now let's switch to the Wi-Fi. Okay, let's open the images. For the first time, maybe the images kind of freeze. All you need to do is close and open the apps again. Okay, go to the settings and make sure you have enable image hide. Okay, let's check the safetynet. Nice, so it passed the safetynet. Okay, if for you guys that not familiar with Magisk, if it has a blue color like this and it said succeed, it means you can always use the phone and the root apps Magisk for apps that read the root access, such as mobile banking or hailing rides such as Gojek and Grab. Okay, all you need to do, go to the seal right here, go to the Magisk site and check whatever apps that you wish do not read the Magisk, the root access. Okay, now let's test GPS. Okay, it's very fast and it's locking. Okay, it has a precise location. It has a precise of my location, and it has a blue small dot. It means it's locking, and very nice. So you can use the ROM for navigation. There is no problem. Okay, let's open the browser again. This time let's open the YouTube. Okay, let's search for music video file. Okay, so guys, there is no problem with the sound and video. It's working very well. And now let's test the camera. Now I'm gonna take a picture with the back camera, and let's take a picture with the front camera. Okay, and let's test video recording. Okay guys, now I'm testing recording video using the Nusantara OS from the back camera. Okay, now I'm recording using the front camera, and let's check the result. Okay, let's open the gallery. This is result of the back camera, and this is the front camera. This is the video camera that we've recorded using the back camera. Okay, it's kinda have a small voice. And this is recorded using the front camera. Okay, seems that all the camera function is working properly. There is no problem on taking a picture and record the video. Okay. For the last step, okay, let's open the checker just for fun. Hit check and granted. Okay, your Redmi 5A is rooted on Android 11. Okay, nice. So now for the conclusion. Okay, this is a very nice ROM and it's unified, so you can use this ROM for Redmi 4A Rolex or Redmi 5A Riva. After we make a quick review, okay, the camera is working and the sound and video is working perfectly. The GPS is also working, and there is no problem with the SIM card also. So for the verdict is this ROM is very nice for daily driver. Okay, you can use it for daily driver, it's not a problem. It's better than the stock ROM, and you also getting a upgrade to Android 11. Okay, so that's all guys. I hope this tutorial is useful for you. If you find it useful, please give a thumb. If you don't like it, give a down thumb. Okay, and I also have a last video about routing and custom ROM. Please check my other video. Okay, last video about Samsung, Xiaomi, and Realme Phone, and etc. Okay, guys, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum.